As writers, we're often focused on the stories in our heads or on communicating to a bunch of people. Like, how do we change people's minds or teach them something or get them excited about something? But how often do we really focus our writing on a one-to-one communication? How much work do we put into those kinds of meaningful communications with individuals in our lives? That is the theme of the December Writing Yoga, the gift of writing. So I'm going to offer you 3 different assignments to try this month. You can do all of them or one of them, but in each case, I'm asking you to put your writing skills to work in a one-to-one communication with somebody, hopefully, that you care about. So here's 3 options. 1, write a short poem to accompany a gift, or maybe even replace a gift. It can be short and silly, like a Dr. Seuss poem. It could be a sonnet, whatever you want. 2, share a story from the past with someone, hopefully a story that you have in common. You might share it in a letter or a note to a cousin or a friend. Something like, do you remember that time when? Share the story, and then maybe tell them why it stuck with you. What's the personal relevance? And option number 3 is to write a short and sincere note of appreciation or thanks. You could do this in your thank you notes, but it may not be thank you for a gift. Maybe it's thank you for something that this person has done for you, or demonstrated for you, or modeled for you. Let them know that you're grateful and what impact it has had on you. There are so many reasons to use the gift of your writing with others. First of all, gratitude, reflecting on gratitude is good for our own mental health. So that's always a win. Doing these things can reinforce some of those relationships that are important to us. Being generous with our writing feels good, and it just might inspire your muse with some new ideas for writing. So when we use the gift of writing, it rebounds on us ourselves. I hope you try this in December. If you want, let me know how it works for you. And I'll be back in the new year with more exercises for a life filled with writing.